So guys, welcome to the another video. So in this video, I'm gonna compare Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. This is the first generation Galaxy Buds Pro, and I have been using them for past 1 year, and Soundcore Liberty from past maybe 2 months or something. So I have found some differences between them, and I'm gonna tell you in this video. What are the main differences which I have found. Uh, these differences are subjective actually. So, and even in this video, you're gonna hear the sound test from both the buds, so you can you can hear them for yourself. Like what are the actual differences in their sound signature. So before starting this, let me just quickly tell you the specification for each buds. Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro, it's a dual driver design, and Samsung Galaxy Buds also dual driver design. Liberty 3 Pro has 6 mics and 3 in each buds, similar to Samsung Galaxy Buds 6 mics. The Liberty 3 Pro codec support is LDAC, AAC, SBC, whereas in Samsung codec support is Scalable Samsung codec, which is a proprietary of Samsung, and then SBC and AAC. Both have multi-point pairing. Liberty 3 Pro has 3D surround sound, and Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro has spatial audio with head tracking. Liberty 3 Pro are IPX4 rated, and Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro are IPX7 rated. Both has transparency mode, but Samsung Galaxy Buds has a smart transparency mode, which is very useful for communications. Then the rated battery backup of Liberty 3 Pro is 32 hours maximum, and Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro rated battery backup is 23 hours maximum. And there are some extra features in Liberty 3 Pro, which are Hear ID personalized sound, which you can fine tune the sound signature of the buds according to your hearing. Then Liberty 3 Pro has air fins and wingtips also. Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, they don't have. And now coming to the major differences, the first difference you can see is the carrying case of Liberty 3 Pro is slightly bigger than the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. So you can see the difference. So these are much easier to carry. And Liberty 3 Pro feels a bit heavier also. And what I like about the Liberty 3 Pro case is its opening. Actually, you can just use your one hand to open the case. And these are your indicators, battery indicators. And the internal indicators show you about the charging of each buds. And it's a bit difficult to open Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro case with the one hand. So here it is. These are the one LED which indicates about the battery backup. Battery level. And let me just show you about the magnets about the buds. So similarly for Liberty 3 Pro. Well, Liberty 3 Pro magnets are much more stronger and safer than the Galaxy Buds Pro. And just let me show you the physical design as well. As you can see, ear tips for Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro are in oval shape, whereas in Liberty 3 Pro is the standard circular shape. Now coming to the other differences. As per the sound quality is concerned, the Liberty 3 Pro, they have a wider sound stage than Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. The mids in Liberty 3 Pro are bit relaxed, laid back mids, but as in Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, the mids are more forward and they are more sparky. Liberty 3 Pro has better ANC as per my experience, and they have also, I mean, the ANC in Galaxy Buds Pro are not bad, but it's okay. They are good, but in these, the ANC is better. Now, coming to the bass, low frequencies. Liberty 3 Pro has more bass. I'm not saying the better bass, but it's more bass. The quantity is more, the quality is not. And the bass is some kind of, I mean, sometimes it sounds like muddy or boomy for some tracks. Galaxy Buds Pro, they have a better bass with better texture and fastness. Liberty 3 Pro has much better mics than the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Later in this video, you can listen to them. I will put a ANC test as well as mic test also. And of course, the better battery life. Even on paper also, the Liberty 3 Pro has a better battery life. And in practical scenarios also, I have seen the Liberty 3 Pro, like they can easily handle my 2 flights actually, back to back. The battery life for Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro are okay. And the new sound signature, the Liberty 3 Pro has more fun. I mean, it's more like fun sound and V-shape signature with more emphasis on the bass. In Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, the sound signature is little bit V-shaped, but because of the mids are also enhanced and they are much more forward than the Liberty 3 Pro. So some may feel like, I mean, they sounds like neutral headphones, but actually they are not neutral, but slightly V-shaped with better mids. Now, why I am comparing these two now, as there is already a Liberty 4, Soundcore Liberty 4 and the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, second generation out there in the market. But the people who are looking for, value earbuds with a very good sound signature, they can look for these options also, and they are actually right now very cheap available. So guys, that's all for the main major differences, and let's jump to the main sound test and sound demo of these earbuds, so that you people can decide which one to buy actually. Let's go, guys.
Now you're listening to the internal microphone of Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro.
Now you are listening to the internal microphone of Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
So this was all about the sound test and sound demo of these earbuds. So let me know in the comment section, according to you, which one is better. So of course, the sound, of course, the choice is subjective, but still, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.